Whoa, you hear the sound of this car? Amazing. Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and today we're sitting in a 2019 GT3 RS in my favorite color, lizard green. Now this car is just amazing, PDK only for the RSs, but it's just so fast with the horsepower, and there's everything about this car. Now this car just has literally 400 or 500 miles on it, so I can't drive it. It's for sale here at DCH Acura in Verona, New Jersey. But I just wanted to film this car because it's just so epic, one of my dream cars. So let's take a closer look. Whoa, you hear the sound of this car? Amazing. All right, so it's automatic only. The tachometer front and center. It also gives you your automatic transmission points, your reverse, neutral drive. How you do it is from here. You just go up and down. As you can see now, we're in drive, we're in reverse, we're in park. Oh, nobody's in that GT3RS because that light just turned on. I'm saying the GT3 992. So again, here you have your tachometer. I always use, from my 993 turbo on, always use the front and center tachometer. It gives you your miles per hour right here. It's very hard to read the regular speedometer because it goes by 25. So yeah, there's little marks in there that go by 5, but almost impossible to read at speed. As you get back here, it's harder to read the 5 dials. The way you can tell Cayman and Boxster from the interior is that they only have 3 dials. So the 911s always have 5. And this gives you all your vehicle information. There's like a stalk here. You can go kind of, oops, that's the windshield wipers. You can go through all that. It might be on the other side. And you can go up and down through all the vehicle options. Here it is. So it's hidden on the bottom here. So this kind of gives you, so you can even get the navigation in here. Same with my 991.2, because this is a 991.2. And then you have your gas. Obviously, you're not going to get great gas mileage. You can put the PDK in sport. You could do your shocks. You could do your exhaust. We definitely want to do the exhaust. We're in park here, so it should be safe. Wow. You got your parking brake on the side here, which wasn't engaged, so we'll engage it. Beautiful steering wheel and navigation, but you're not buying this for navigation. Your sport chrono. And this car is a pretty highly optioned car. I think this was like 240, 230 or something new, but amazing car, one of my dream cars. When they get, DCH Acura here gets some more GT3s, which they will, with higher mileage, we'll take them for a ride. But I just wanted to share this special moment with you because it's my first time, I think, sitting into a GT3RS in my favorite color, lizard green. So I just thought this would be cool to talk about and sit and experience it with you for the first time. This has the Weissach package, so it saves some weight, gives you these real cool seats. You got the green inserts here. These are the carbon fiber buckets. I believe it gives you, carbon fiber, other pieces. It's like a $16,000 option, so definitely worth every penny. It's really amazing. What you got to hear, though, is this car start up. So in a minute, we'll start up the car, and you have other stuff here. If you want to get some fancy luxury options, that's fantastic, good for you, but you don't need it. And this car is like perfectly optioned. Even with the RSs, you got the door pulls here, and it's really, really amazing car. So what I'm going to do is I'll get a start. It won't be necessarily a cold start, but start the car so you can kind of hear how it starts. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.